Home warranties can feel a little confusing, so I asked Jeri Bryant from American Home Shield to join me today. She's going to break down and answer all the questions I get all the time. Thanks for joining me.
Absolutely, anytime.
Before we jump in, tell me who you are and what you do with American Home Shield.
I am Jeri Bryant. I am your market manager for Ohio. I work with brokers and agents directly to make sure they are knowledgeable about the American Home Shield and what we offer and details to go ahead and help their clients get covered for their homes.
Great. Okay, let's start simple. What does a home warranty actually cover, and what do most people get wrong about it?
Great question. Home warranty is a 1 to 2 year coverage that covers your components inside your home. It's for mechanical failures. And a lot of times people get us confused with home insurance, but we cover your mechanical failures for your plumbing, electrical, kitchen appliances, and cooling and heating your home, and some more.
Okay, great. Thanks for answering that.
No problem.
A lot of people mix up home insurance and a home warranty.
Yeah.
What is the difference, the biggest difference?
Great question. So a lot of times the homeowners think that we are the insurance, but we're a warranty for a reason. When it comes to the home warranty, we cover the inside. So the components that fail on the inside of your home, your plumbing, electrical, kitchen appliances, things like that. Home insurance covers your total house, so the outside, external too. In case there's flooding in your basement, that would be your homeowner's insurance. The warranty will only cover you if your hot water tank were to break down, things like that. So we cover those type of mechanical failures that happen in the home.
Okay. And then for a seller that would add a home warranty on at their listing, how would that reduce the stress while their home's on the market?
Oh, great question. So with that seller, it would help them out a lot. By adding it, we cover, again, certain components for them. So they do have good coverage, such as the plumbing, electrical, and HVAC. HVAC has been the biggest opportunity for sellers to take advantage of because of inspections that come up that the furnace or air conditioner break down. So it's always good to have some type of protection while we're doing the listing period.
All right, perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
What systems or appliances do you find that our clients file for or work with?
With the claims? Yeah. So right now, and I would say for the last 2 years, when it comes to appliances, refrigerators are the biggest breakdown, whether it's new or old. Less than 3 years, some of these refrigerators are breaking down when it comes to it. Systems overall, hot water tank is the number one finder for buyers or sellers, sadly.
How many times do they file a claim within the first 90 days?
I went on 90, but in the first 60 days, 1 in 4, which is pretty big. Yeah, filed a claim, which is really quickly. I've had buyers that filed a claim within the first couple of days even.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
How do you decide whether to replace or repair something?
Great question. So when it comes to that, once our technician comes out and does the diagnosis, then we're able to determine whether we're able to just order parts for it or if we need to repair or replace it completely. Yeah, so most of the time they'll know within 24 hours what we need to do next.
Okay, all right. And what does a typical response time look like?
So when it comes to it, when the client puts the claim in, it takes about 24 hours for it to get in the system and for the tech to reach out to them to schedule them. Okay. So it's pretty quick. We try to have everything done and scheduled within a week time frame. We're not an emergency service, but we try to get the work done as soon as we can.
That's awesome.
Thanks.
There are a lot of add-ons that you guys offer. Are there any that are based on our area that you would recommend?
I would say for sure, if it doesn't already come with the plan for some, to do the HVAC tune-up, the seasonal maintenance tune-up, I would say that would definitely be one to look at. Other than that, pretty much the area, we cover everything that you need in the basic plan. Unless they have a hot tub, then I would say there are some clients with hot tubs in the area, so I would say that would be an additional add-on.
Okay, that's great. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, so what 3 plans do you offer?
Oh, great question. So first we offer our complete plan. Now with our complete, we're covering their plumbing, electrical, kitchen appliance, cooling and heating, even roof repair, tune-ups. It's a lot that goes into that plan. I highly recommend that one. And that covers up to $7,000 in appliances too. And then we have our Shield Plus. With the Shield Plus, though, that covers those items. But when it comes to appliances, it's about 4,000 in appliance coverage that goes to it. And then there's your essential, and that's your bare bones basic coverage that covers your HVAC, your plumbing, and your electrical, but not kitchen appliances. So that's it. And then seller coverage, which is similar to the essentials plan. That is a limited time for the seller coverage, but you get 12 months of coverage in case you don't sell.
Awesome.
that
Super.
timeframe.
Okay. So, like, if buyers are moving into a home that's brand new, what parts of the warranty end up being the most helpful?
Oh, for buyers, I would say a lot. Right now, the biggest thing is appliances. Appliance breakdown is our number one in the state of Ohio. Next to that is water heaters. A lot of clients are finding themselves getting new water heaters. But another thing that buyers are doing is upgrading their appliances too. With our warranty, they're able to upgrade their appliances at a discounted rate, and that way they don't have to pay wholesale price. And we work directly with GE on that.
Nice.
Yeah.
Let's talk about pre-existing conditions. This makes people nervous. So what does that actually mean?
I understand that. And they shouldn't be, because most pre-existings, for the most part, we cover. But pre-existing is when, say, for example, someone knew that the house had a stove that wasn't working before the warranty comes into play. That's a pre-existing that we wouldn't cover. Some pre-existings would be in like pipes that rusted, corroded. Those we could cover. So that's the difference there.
Okay. Do homeowners need to keep any maintenance records for their coverage?
Well, the great thing about that, no. Being that we have an app as well as their online account that they're able to log into, we keep track of everything. Anything that they have done to the home through us, we have a record of. Even if they need it, they can always reach out to us for it. But you can always get that information. So we know what's going on with your system or what's been done in the past.
So, Jeri, what's the easiest way for someone to file a claim?
I would say the easiest way is online or through the app. The app is the easiest because you're able to see every detail of what's going on with your claim, and it's right there, and you'll find that you'll get your answer right away.
So it's a pretty fast and smooth process, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, so what happens when they file a claim? What can they expect? Are they going to hear from a contractor? How does that work?
Yes. So just to give you an example, if they filed it through the app, right away, you'll find out who the contractor is and that they will be contacting you. Most of our contractors either call or text you to let you know or figure out a time that works best for you. Nowadays, they're even giving you selected dates to pick. So it makes it really simple and easy. And then from there, they will come out and go through the process.
And are they going to get charged at the time of scheduling that, or how's the fee work?
Great question. So the fee is done right away before, once the claim is put in. So you pay that, or if you have an account automatically online, you can have it set up through your credit card or debit card that way.
Wonderful.
So when when the vendor comes out, they don't pay anything to the vendor.
Okay. Perfect. Thank you.
So how long does coverage last?
Great question. Coverage lasts 1 to 2 years for a client.
Okay. And what's the one thing you wish the homeowners knew when they're purchasing a home warranty?
Not to expect us to cover your whole entire house, but to cover inside the home when it comes to mechanical failure. And there are some non-covered costs because we don't cover everything, but a good bulk of it is covered by us.
And so what's one thing you would say that maybe a question that you get over and over from homeowners or from agents that we could assist our homeowners with?
One question I would say is put the claim in and let us handle it from there. Also, as an agent, make sure that you're adding the warranty. The warranty can help on the selling end as well as the buyer's end, and always try to do it before the inspection if you can, or on the buyer's end before they move into the home, because they're always finding things once they move in.
That is true. That is true. So special thanks to Jeri Bryant from American Home Shield for joining us today. We love having her come into the office. She's a lot of fun, as you can tell. And so we just thank you for coming in, and we do appreciate our relationship with American Home Shield.
Appreciate you guys too.
Thanks.
Thank you.